Hi. So I know when you're just getting started with Avon, it can be a little overwhelming when you look at all the products we carry. I mean, there's tons and tons. And let's be real, it's not just new reps. This is my 13th year, and sometimes it's hard to keep up. But it's just too many new and exciting things come out. It's a great problem to have, really. So I'm going to tell you how I deal with it. First of all, go one at a time. Learn about one product at a time. I love to try them myself because a personal testimony is the best. But there's also some really great information that you can get with a quick search on our site that'll help you to have that conversation and to make recommendations. Whenever I want to learn about a product, the first place I always go is to our website, to avon.com. You can do this on mobile as well, on our app, Avon Go. And all you're going to do is pull up any particular product one at a time. So today I'm going to show you how to learn about, like, for example, our vitamin C serum. It's one of my favorites. You can see it right in my search history. But if I start typing in vitamin C, oh my goodness, and then I search, I'm going to see all the things coming up here. The brightening serum is the one I'm thinking of. I see it here and here as well. It doesn't matter which one I click on, but it's going to take me to those search results. And then I'm going to click on the product I want to learn about. Now, once I've got it pulled up, I can, first of all, see lots of great images I can use. But also I want to call your attention to this description. You can see the ingredients, so if that's something you're curious about, they're right there on the site. But look at the description, and there's so much here you can use. So a few call outs. There's always some really great, call out in the first few words in the description here. So one thing I'm noticing here is that it's packed with as much vitamin C as in 30 oranges in each bottle. So that's huge, and what a great thing to be able to say, right? Instantly brightens and pure vitamin C, 10% pure vitamin C. I'm also looking at the benefits, and these are all things that you can use when people are curious about a product. Look, 99% of women agreed it instantly boosts radiance, clinically proven to brighten skin after the first use by up to 44%, refines texture, visibly improves skin tone, citrus scent, oil-free, lots of great stuff. You can also see to use here, it's going to tell you in the morning and the evening, after cleansing, put it on your face, smooth the skin, oh my goodness, smooth the serum gently over your skin in an upward and outward motion, and don't put it on your eyes. So, and it's going to go before your favorite moisturizer. So I want you to think about these things, and when you're speaking to your customers, you can put them in your own words, but this is going to give you the info to use to really get them excited about this product and what it does. So for example, you could say, if they ask you about vitamin C, or if you're recommending the vitamin C, you can say, our vitamin C serum is a really amazing product. It has as much vitamin C in it as 30 oranges in each bottle. And it's going to really help with brightening and making your skin tone and texture look great. It's got a great citrus scent. I think you're going to love it. You're just going to put it on. You can use it in the morning and the evening before you cleanse, or after you cleanse, but before you moisturize. Let me know what you think. So that's one example, but you can do this with any product. Learn little bits and pick and choose things to share as you're having conversations about the product. And then follow up. Doing this really helps me to feel more confident when I'm making recommendations for folks about what products would be a good fit for them. I also like to look up my products before I order anything myself. I gotta say, there's no substitute for a personal testimonial. So try the products yourself for sure, but start here. And you remember, you don't have to be a product expert in everything Avon sells. Become an expert in one product and then build from there. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, be sure to give me a like and subscribe to this channel for more.